May kinakain ni Jelly yung papilo.
Some different sets into the seal. And the sea lions are back to get bigger from the livers. And they can also turn their back with where something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright. Whack on and. And that's it, final description. Oh, no, for Vincent and Sandra. And you know what? They also have this long and flexible neck. How flexible it is? Well, check this out. Wow, it's so flexible, right? And they deserve another round of applause. As you can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers have the same sense of touch. These nerve fibers which make them sensitive. You're nice and nice. Hey! And they can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from breaking into water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine animal, can see we're both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, inhabit waters close to shores, like rugged cliffs with tide pools, a preference for rocky beaches. They have an excellent climbing ability which can easily scale rocky hills. Check those out, very sharp front livers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities and start with Vincent, the handsome one. This generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their bronco livers. And while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. That is their normal swim, nice and easy. Thank you so much, Vincent, trainer Johnny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of dip. Ready and run. 25 miles per hour! And that is really fast and wham! A round of applause for Sandra, the sexy gal. So that person is right. And another one! She deserved it. Now, here's an interesting story about this line. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operations? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold a breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they're taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, buddies, are you ready? Roll and salute. Now, let's on. Ready, up, 2, 3, 4, up to ready, salute. This time, guys, can you please join us in our friends and a salute? In the count of 3. Everybody, please salute. And let's make this one now. Okay, guys, kids, are you ready? Are you ready? I'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Oh, thank you so much. Sea lions are also search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Bang! So first, trainers, we have the rings. Gone buddies and get those rings. Sandra and also Vincent. All of us for sea lion friends, come on. Nice one. And they're asking for it. Nice one, buddies. You got your rings. Too tight, Vincent, up. Okay, so what's next? We have the ball. So how do we need to get those balls? Say, ball balance. Careful, buddies. Almost there. Steady, Sandra. And